Good morning, guys. So I decided today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I've only done it a couple of times, but I really needed the hair dryer with the flat edge to make it work for myself. And I've tried a couple of different ways by making like a tin foil tip, and it just never stayed the way I wanted it to. It didn't blow the air where I wanted it to. So today, I'm gonna go outside of the box and I am going to do a Dutch pour. I've really only had one or two successful Dutch pours, and I really just want to give it a try and see how it goes. So I went out. Well, I didn't go out, I Amazoned it. And I bought the Titanium White by Amsterdam. I also bought Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And I'm going to also give a try to the Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. And finally, I have Pebio's Iridescent Green Yellow. So the base is going to be obviously this green blue mix, and we are going to add all the rest after that. So here we go. I did paint the edges of my canvas because I was worried that the paint would shine through. So we'll see if that's enough. And I'm already getting paint on it. And I'm already getting paint on me. So let me grab my sweater. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually just grabbed my apron, so that'll do. Just rubbing in my sides here. Now I put a little bit of Floetrol in my paint mix, and then the rest I added water. I used up I think it's the rest of my super thin Floetrol that I had from months ago. And yeah. So I didn't have to water them down too much. And I'm just going to find my torch here. Bunch of air bubbles from before. So I think what I'm going to do first is do a small puddle of white. And the Pearl Copper Gold. And then let's go around. You know how the girls do it. So I was inspired by Molly of Molly's Artistry. Rinske and Kanella, they all do this. It is their go-to. Oh my God. I don't know, man. I just covered the whole canvas. it's not the best, but definitely need to work on it. Ooh, obviously more. Nothing is learned instantly. I'm loving in here. All right, so we will bring you guys in. Okay, here we go. So this is the final result. And you can see the pearl copper gold has mixed with the titanium white in here. And I am really, really looking forward to seeing how this piece dries. I did a little additional blowing out in this area to give it a more wispy feeling. And went from there. But I'm intrigued by the way this came out, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it dries. Thanks so much for coming along on this Dutch pour journey. Also, in the video description, you can find discount links to Mack's pour medium. Their shipping will be reducing in the next couple of weeks. They've been working on that with the Postal Service. I have an Arteza link below as well, where you can save 10% as also. LOLIVEFE is down there, another discount link you can use. And I have my social media links as well. I have my Etsy shop is below. You can contact me for sales and commissions through my email. My Facebook art page and Instagram as well. So, all right, guys. I know I said, all right, sorry. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.